Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most hilarious, opinionated, and downright controversial product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the skies with two drones that promise to make you the Spielberg of the skies. On the left, we have the Bwine F7GPS, and on the right, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bwine F7GPS comes in at a cool $501. Now, that's a bargain if you ask me. It's like finding a coupon for half off at a fancy restaurant. But hold on, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is priced at $759. That's right, folks. For that price, it better come with a personal butler to fly it for you. It's like paying first class for a drone. Let's see if it delivers the first-class experience. Next, let's talk cameras. The Bwine F7GPS boasts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal. You've got a 90 degrees adjustable lens and a 120 degrees FOV. It's like having a mini Michael Bay in your hands. Explosions not included. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro promises immersive real-time aerial footage with 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. That's right, folks, 20 kilometers. It's like having the eyes of a hawk. If hawks were into cinematography. Reviewers praise the DJI Mini 4 Pro for its impressive 4K 60 FPS video recording and 48 megapixels photos, which are top-notch for both beginners and seasoned drone users. Time to take flight. The Bwine F7 GPS gives you 50 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's almost an hour. Enough time to film your neighbor's cat, your dog's reaction, and still have time to spare. Now, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers 34 minutes with 1 battery. Not bad, but it's like getting a pizza with 1 slice missing. Still tasty, but you know something's missing. Reviewers of the Bwine F7GPS appreciate its long battery life, while some DJI Mini 4 Pro users wish for longer flight times, though they acknowledge the high performance during the available time. The Bwine F7GPS has level 6 wind resistance. That's like saying, "Come at me, Mother Nature." It's got the stability of a yoga master on a mountaintop. But wait, the DJI Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It's like having spidey senses for your drone. You could be the worst pilot in history, and this thing will still avoid crashing into your ex's house. Safety first, folks. Reviewers love the DJI Mini 4 Pro for its advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. The Bwine F7GPS offers a 10,000 feet transmission range. That's like flying from one side of your town to the other without losing signal. Crisp images, smooth video, it's like butter on toast. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers a whopping 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. That's like flying from your house to the next city over. If you ever wanted to spy on your in-laws, now's your chance. Reviewers are impressed with both drones, but particularly highlight the DJI Mini 4 Pro's extensive range and clear transmission. The Bwine F7GPS is loaded with GPS auto-return, follow me, waypoints, and one-click social media sharing. It's like having an overachieving sibling who does everything you can't. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has active track, 360 degrees, and immersive flight experience with DJI goggles. It's like strapping yourself into a roller coaster and screaming, "Let's do this!" Reviewers find these features particularly exciting, especially the DJI Mini 4 Pro's advanced tracking and immersive experience. Summarizing the online reviews, The Bwine F7GPS is praised for its ease of use, long battery life, and excellent customer support, making it a great option for beginners. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is lauded for its superior camera quality, advanced obstacle avoidance, and impressive range, making it a favorite among both new and experienced drone users. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 GPS is like the dependable friend who's always there for you, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the flashy new kid on the block who's ready to show off. Which one will you choose? The practical and budget-friendly Bwine, or the high-flying, feature-packed DJI? Drop your comments below, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic, hilarious, and sometimes controversial comparisons. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.